Alright, let's talk about Rosesilky, the viral clothing site blowing up all over social feeds. If you've been tempted by those dreamy dresses or too good to be true deals, hold up for just a minute. Now, I get it. The site looks legit, the models look amazing, and the prices? Super tempting. But here's the truth. Rosesilky is what I'd call a high-risk shopping adventure. First, almost everything ships from China or Hong Kong, which means those cute outfits could take 2 to 3 weeks, or even longer, to show up at your door. So, if you're shopping for an event next weekend, you might want to rethink. But it's not just the weight. Tons of shoppers on Reddit and Facebook say the materials are a letdown. Think more shiny polyester than luxury silk. And those gorgeous photos? They're often just wishful thinking. Returns? Here's where it gets tricky. Yes, they claim it's easy, but most of the time you'll have to ship it back overseas. That can cost as much as the dress itself. Plus, some people pay, wait, and then get told their item's out of stock weeks later. Yikes. So, is Rosesilky a total scam? Honestly, no. Most people do get a package. But is it quality fashion? Not really. You're basically rolling the dice on what you'll actually get. If you're still thinking about ordering, here's what I'd do. Pay with PayPal for extra protection, do a quick reverse image search to see if you can find the same item for less, and always double-check you're on the real Rosesilky site, not a copycat. Bottom line? Shop smart and don't expect a fairy tale ending. Sometimes if it looks too good to be true, well, you know the rest.